Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Brittany. As you can tell, my hair looks like a hot mess right now. I have it in this bun and it's not really looking cute, but I have plans tonight and I thought I'd just come on here to show you guys what I do when I'm in a rush. So I washed my hair yesterday and there's really no volume to it. I mean, it's definitely thick and everything, but you guys are gonna see what I'm talking about. Look at this. This is my hair when I don't do anything to it. I need to definitely make it look a little bit better. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So I'm gonna part my hair I'm actually just gonna grab this like this, right? And what I've normally been doing is taking this front part of my hair, grab it, and then I go up like this. And then I let the hair fall down like that, okay? So as you can see, there's already something happening to it. Honestly, I don't do anything super crazy. I just kind of go with the flow and somehow it ends up working out. So I did that part right there, and then I'll grab another part back here. It's kind of like how I did the front part of my hair. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did with my bangs. We're gonna go up, 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 and then I'm gonna twirl just like that. It falls like this with a cute little curl. I never really did this style growing up. I always turned to straightening my hair all the time. That was always the go-to. But as I got older, I was you know what? I kind of just running my hands through my hair and just calling it a day. I'm in my bathroom right now, by the way. And I didn't really get much sleep last night, so I'm a little bit tired. But usually whenever I get ready and stuff and do my hair, I feel much better. I feel alive. Okay. So there's a few pieces that are obviously nothing to it. Look at this one. Okay, so we're gonna grab it. And then I'm just gonna go out like this. Boom, 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 boom. And that one's curly there. Then I just go and start looking at other sections and see what else could be fixed. Right here, this right here definitely needs a little bit of love. So one thing about me is that I actually bruise really easily. I don't know if any of you also have the same issue, but anytime I hit myself even in the smallest way, I will have a bruise. That's why I have this freaking bruise right there. And then another thing is my legs. I remember looking at my legs thinking what in the actual F is going on? I feel I never have clear legs, okay? There's always something on my leg. It's either a bruise or a scab or something. Okay, so there's what it looks like so far. Can't see the back, but I'm pretty confident that everything kind of goes together as I continue. I'm gonna grab this little piece right here because this obviously looks he kind of holds it down back there. It'll definitely make everything come together a little bit better. Okay, there's that. And yeah, what do you guys think about my makeup? I always do the regular wing and stuff. I've been doing this wing for a long time. I remember being 12, 13 years old, and I saw this one girl who had her wing so perfect, and that's where I got my inspiration. I remember thinking oh my god, that is so cute. I want to learn how to do that. Never looked back. I always do the wing. I started kind of taking it down a little bit. I wanted to try different techniques. By the way guys, I sprayed my hair before with this heat protectant. It's miracle protector spray that I use. I got it from Ipsy. I feel I never have to go shopping for makeup. Everything comes in the mail for me, so it's fine. I really only ever use the same products usually, or my Kylie products that I have. All right, so this is what we have so far. So this little piece right here is kind of just eh. I'm gonna grab it. Oop, I'm gonna grab it. The bottom kind of looks a little bit straight, so we're just gonna kind of that. Look how cute, okay? I'm gonna get this bottom piece right here because sometimes I flip my hair back and then, you know, the bottom has to look cute too. My hair already has like that like wave to it already, so doing this is like super easy, especially when I'm in a rush to like do something, or you know, I have plans and I want to look cute but I don't want to like spend my time straightening my entire hair and everything, so this is like super convenient. Okay, so we're almost done. I kind of just go in and like touch up some areas and see if there's anything else that I could like you know, fix up a little bit. There's this one that's kind of like bothering me, so I'm gonna grab it and do the same thing. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? There's times whenever I want to just chop my entire hair off, but I've had short hair before, and based on like my face shape and everything, sometimes I think it doesn't look as flattering as when I have long hair. But my hair does grow super quick, so I might just give it a chance. If you guys see me walking around with short hair, you know why. Oh yeah, by the way, whenever I finish my hair, so I could either just like go like this, right, just like throw it back, or like keep it kind of like in the middle, or not even have like a specific part because I'm constantly going like this, right? But there's other times when I actually just want to like let it sit, because if not, like if you guys saw when I did that, like the little hairs like stick up and stuff. If I want to like settle it, okay, so there's like this arch right here, right? I go like probably like about right here, a little bit more towards the center, not middle, but just like right next to it. And nothing special. I don't try to like do like the perfect like crease or anything, because I know that it's, you know, as long as like the foundation is good, I'll be all right. So I'm gonna just do like some little finishing touches to my hair because I think we're like good to go. Okay, so this part up front, so you can see that it kind of just like falls flat, right? I kind of like to lift that up a little bit because I think it looks a little bit cuter. So I grab this and then I go right under and like lift upwards and then down, just to give it that like little curve right there. Giving it that little like lift makes it look a little bit fancier, I feel like, instead of it just like being like flat on my face. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys the back. You see, nothing too crazy. That is my hair. Am I centered? Yes, I am. It's actually gotten like much longer than what it was before, because I did cut it around Thanksgiving when I went to go visit my family in North Carolina, and I did get a little bit trimmed off, actually a lot, because my hair was pretty long, but it was just like so like mistreated. I try to be consistent with my haircuts only because I don't know, as soon as my hair starts getting long, it is like really hard to manage. So I like the medium length. Like this is fine, like I can work with this. I'm gonna go put a little bit of hairspray in my hair. So there's this hairspray that I really like to use. It is Professional Sebastian Shaper Fierce, okay? This one says Ultra Firm Finishing Hairspray. It is this size. Back then I used to feel like I had to have like a really like stiff hairspray to hold everything in place, but no, they actually make some really nice products that don't give you that feel. I'm gonna set the camera down for a little bit and do a quick spray. I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so since I like this kind of like lifted, I put my hand like right underneath and I just go in and spray. Okay, like that. So this part right here, of course I like my little swoop to stay in place, so I'm going to spray that right here. Okay, and then we'll go on this side and get that in check too. Ooh. Just close my eyes. That's it. Then I just get the ends, and then I will spray the back to get this side. And now you have a perfect little hairstyle. Okay, now you're ready to go out and have some fun, and you can go have your little selfie moments, your little bad bee moments. I'm gonna definitely take some selfies and post them on my Instagram story. You guys should definitely go follow me on Instagram. My username is down in the description box. But yeah, I'm going to get dressed up a little bit, not too crazy. I dressed up last night. Doesn't mean I shouldn't do it again. Maybe I should. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear, honestly. I just do my hair and my makeup, and then I'm like, what's the next step? Maybe not go. So yeah, that is the final look. We went from looking a little ratchet to looking like a little bombshell. See? Simple. Sometimes I will throw the bun up in the air though. I like a good bun, a good like big round bun, but since I trimmed my hair, it's not as big as I want it to be, so I just kind of let it flow, let it just like fall down, and then do a little bit of that curling on the edges, and then I'm good to go. Yeah, this is my go-to. If you guys have like the wavy hair kind of look already, honestly try it out and let me know if you like it. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I will keep you guys updated when the next one is going to come up. Again, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I do have a Snapchat as well where I post regularly. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys next time.